Now, plastic and the environment. As plastic have made our everyday life very easy, but they have bad effects too. Disadvantage of plastic. First one is that plastics are non-biodegradable, means they are not decayed or decomposed by any type of bacteria and fungus or by any natural process. So they keep on accumulating and remain unchanged. Next is plastic. Recycling of plastic is very costly at all, and plastics on burning release many poisonous gases causing air pollution also. Here is the advantage and disadvantages of plastic. First property is durability. Advantage is that it is lifelong, does not damage at all. Disadvantage will remain in the environment and for long time causes pollution. Resistant to chemicals. Useful for making different containers as it does not react with any type of chemicals, so we can use plastic to make different type of containers. Disadvantage that remains unchanged in garbage. Recycling. Advantage of plastic is that it can be recycled easily. By heating it can be melt to form various kind of products like toys, containers, bottles, etc. Disadvantage is that recycling of plastic is very costly and is associated with respiratory problems as it creates poisonous gases due to inhalation of toxic fumes. Now, people throw away plastic bags very carelessly on roads, due to which it choke the drain and affect the sewage system, causing water to overflow. Especially during the monsoon season, the water does not flow properly and it comes on the road or collected, due to which mosquitoes also breed in choked drain, causing diseases like malaria and dengue. Choked sewage system also does not allow rainwater to seep into the ground, causing problem in recharging groundwater. Due to plastic bags, polythenes, the way of water blocked and absorption is not possible in the ground, due to which groundwater level also decreases. The water remains at the top layer of the soil, not able to absorb easily. Second is that cows and street animals may swollen or eat the polythene or plastic bags with the food material from the garbage. This may even result in the death of the animals. Now, measures to reduce plastic pollution, which is very important, and you all know very well that we have to use jute bags, cloth or paper bags instead of plastic. Next is to encourage reuse of plastic, means we should not throw away the plastic bags. After using it, we can use it again and again. Try to buy products which have less plastic packaging. Ensure proper disposal of plastic bags, which is very important. Do not throw the plastic bag here and there. Always throw the plastic bag into the dustbin. Plastic should not be thrown in rivers, lakes, sea, etc., as it creates water pollution, contaminates the water, And if plastics are dumped into the soil, it also creates soil pollution and obstruct the growth and movement of roots. This affects the plant growth. Minimize the use of plastic materials. By doing all this, we can minimize the use of plastic materials. So here is checkpoint 2. Students, try to do yourself and try to do the back exercise in your fair notebook and question answers which I am sending you in your fair notebook.